Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. At 11:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Molino, Buchanan, Bay Springs, 2 Mile, Barrow Park, Pine Barren, Barth, Molino Crossroads, Brickton, Quintet, Cottage Hill and Cantonment. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and Escambia, Florida. I have extremely dangerous category 4.